Today at MakersPlace, we are building and showcasing our mBot Scorpion robot using the official mBot extension pack, along with sensors and programming. This Scorpion build is created using the mBot extension pack, which allows us to add a curved, scorpion-like tail at the rear of the robot. The tail gives the mBot a realistic scorpion appearance and also shifts the center of gravity. Because of this, the mBot can easily lift its front wheels during movement. We start the assembly by connecting metal beams from the extension pack. Screws are inserted and tightened using a wrench to ensure stability. Additional beams are attached using screws to strengthen the tail structure. A screwdriver is used to lock all connections firmly in place. This assembled tail structure is then mounted at the back of the mBot. Proper alignment is important to maintain balance and smooth motion. Next, we move to sensor installation. The sound sensor is mounted on top, along with the RGB sensor. Both sensors are fixed securely using a screwdriver. We then connect the sensor wires to their respective ports, with the sound sensor connected to port number 4. At this point, the mBot Scorpion build is complete. And here you can see the fully assembled mBot Scorpion robot. Now let's see how the mBot Scorpion responds to different sound inputs. When we whistle, the mBot Scorpion lifts up on its two wheels. Whistling again brings it back to its original 4-wheel position. When we clap, the Scorpion performs the same lift and return movement. A finger snap also triggers the Scorpion to rise and settle back down. Even a table thump produces the same real-time response. All these behaviors are programmed using mBlock, where sound input values control the robot's movement. This project helps students learn mechanics, sensors, and coding through building. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our robotics course at MakersPlace. To purchase your own mBot, visit the Edu Marketplace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.